Hi, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Kathy Fillion, and today I have a great last minute gift idea for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna be making a little light my fire candle makeover and a matchbook makeover. This is an adorable gift with the two together, perfect for anyone on Valentine's Day. And to tie the whole thing together, I'm using one of these paper packs where you get a ton of different prints, and I'm using some embellishments just to add some 3D elements to this gift idea. All right, let's dive right in. And of course, I'm using a Mod Podge. I'm gonna use matte for this project. Let's do it. I picked up my large candles at Michael's and my matches from the dollar store. First, I'm gonna soak off those labels. I soaked for about 4 hours, and then I just used my nail to peel off the label. I'm using a Valentine paper pack. This was also from Michael's. Look at all of these cute prints. It's such a fun way to mix and match your prints together. You're just going to cut your paper down to size. I'm starting with the matchbook, and I went ahead and pre-creased those edges to make it easier for when I'm Mod Podging. And we're gonna do that to the front and back of the matchbook. I'm using matte Mod Podge here, and I'm just using it as a glue. I'm not using it as a sealer on this project. So I'm just adding it with a flat brush to the back of the paper and then placing it right onto the matchbook. Now I'm pressing with my fingers just to really secure those edges down. And then I'm gonna repeat that whole process on the back side of the matchbook. Look how cute this is already turning out. So this is the matte Mod Podge formula. It's one of my favorite formulas for paper, but you could certainly use gloss or satin if you wanted to. Again, pressing down with your fingers to really make sure that is glued down on all of the edges. And once it's finished, you can top it off with different embellishments. Here I'm using some of these Valentine themed stickers and these adorable little heart glitter picks. For the picks, I'm just using a little hot glue to attach them. These little matchboxes turn out so cute. Now these were the large matchbox, but you could certainly do this same technique on the little mini boxes. All right, let's move on to our candles. So I cut a strip of paper that will fit around the front of the candle, and it will go all the way around to the back with a tiny bit of an overlap. So I'm using that same matte Mod Podge. I'm just adding it to the back of the paper, and then I'm positioning it onto the candle and wrapping around. Just matching up my seam there. And then we're gonna smooth with our fingers just to make sure we remove any air bubbles. I'm adding some of those same stickers to the top and some cute decorative tags. I just love how this turned out. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.